me again. I'm just working on something different today. My daughter's room needs a door, and yeah, grab your nose on camera. Anyway, yeah, somebody gave me a door. It was covered in tar. I got most of the tar off, took some pictures of it, but I'll show you. I got a few holes using some Bondo body filler because I don't know. It's cheaper to buy a whole big can and have fun with it than buy one of those little shitty ass wood filler things. These are big holes. Bondo will hold better, and so that's my plan. So I will turn this off and I'll show you what I'm doing. Here's the problem here. I have a hole here. This right here, entire section, there was a big blotch of tar right on it. So I'm just sanding it off. There was tar all over here. This corner I got cleaned out. If you look at this big stain here, there was a giant tar patch here. There was a giant tar patch over here. It was all over here. I don't know. There's a little stain on it. But overall, it's a pretty decent door. It's got a little hole here. It's probably not gonna match perfectly the Bondo and the paint job, but one side's getting painted white, the other side's getting painted pink. It's for a 6-year-old, so you know, but it's got a few little scratches. Other than that, I mean, there's no real reason to throw the door out. It's got a little bit of I guess it was like water damage, but I mean, it's not mold. You can see it's got a little off here. It's kind of weird where I sanded it here, but once I paint it, nobody's gonna care. Anyway, I'll have to show you the finished product. Even came with hinges, so I don't have to buy hinges for it. This right here is all the little pieces of tar that were on the door. I'll show you the other side in a minute, so enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably add some more to this video, so don't leave yet. Hello YouTube. This is me on the door again. I applied some Napa auto body filler to it. I smudge it on it because it's a big hole, and I just smudge it on quick. I'm gonna sand it down, scrape it off, sand it down. I'm not doing a perfect sand here because it's kind of a weird thing, so I'm basically just leaving it rough. I smoothed out the top here, but I left all this rough because I want to carve it all out and fix it later. I'll probably clean up a little bit, but other than that, I just thought I'd show you. This is the whole door I'm working on, and then next it's the other side. I gotta prime it and then paint it. Paint one side white and the other side pink. Yeah, 6-year-olds. That's what they want. That's what they get. Pink glitter door. Thanks for watching. Hello YouTube. Hey, it's me again. Yeah, I did what do you call it? This is a fresh coat of Bondo on here. I did just a cheap coat one at a time. Did 3 coats on this one, 3 coats on that one. A little skim over here. I skimmed some Bondo on here. I skimmed some over here. Basically, there's a whole bunch of little imperfections I've taken out. I had to do this one multiple times because every time I don't have a little spatula wide enough, so I only have a spatula about this wide, so I have to go over it. Wait till it dried, sand it down, a little more slow. Just trying to get it to look somewhat decent. I mean, you can't really tell from here, but this window is a huge gash. I'm letting it dry, and I'm probably gonna just leave it like that. It doesn't look perfect, but I wanted the top here to look a little better because it was kind of like an indent. I might have to go over it again. I'll let it dry, sand it down again, and other than that, it's pretty much looking pretty good. The door, I don't know if you can see here, the door looks pretty damn good considering what it used to look like. Anyway, enjoy. Hope you liked the video.